In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android Auto not connecting. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you use wireless Android Auto, the handshake between your phone's Wi-Fi and the car often gets stuck in a loop. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application on your phone, then find connected devices. Then go to connection preferences, and then go ahead and find Android Auto. Now, what you want to do is try and disconnect your vehicle and then reconnect it again, and of course try and toggle off Bluetooth and toggle it on again. If that still doesn't work, then what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings again and then scroll down until you find apps. Once you're in apps, go ahead and find Android Auto. Once you click it, firstly force stop it in the background, then go ahead and scroll down and go to storage. Now if you have any cache, go ahead and clear the cache, and then that's it. Try and reopen Android Auto again, and it should be working fine and connecting to your car. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.